In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share a YouTube video link to your Instagram story. This can be your video link or anyone else's video link that you want to share on your story. Now open up the YouTube app and first find a video. So I'm going to find one of my videos. We'll go to my profile icon in the bottom right. And then what we'll do, we'll go to view channel on KnowledgeBase and then we'll go videos. And what I'll do is I'll just choose a random video, which is public. So we'll choose this one, how to sign a document on Google Docs. So you want to go ahead and click on the video. Now, once you've done that, come to the share icon. It should be underneath the channel name. You'll see the share button. Click on that, then click copy link. And now what you can do is close out of YouTube and head over to Instagram. Inside of Instagram, go to your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner, then click on your story icon, which is in the top left, your profile icon, then click add to your story. Now what you can do now is you can choose if you want to add a link to an existing photo or if you want to take a photo already. I'm going to go ahead and take a photo right now just of my computer screen. Now what we can do, we can go ahead and now add the link. We can also add like an image on top of this image. So if we go back to YouTube, what I could actually do, and this is kind of like a quick hack, if you screenshot, you can then go to the photo editing tool. This is on iPhone and you can kind of like crop this out. And then we can click done, save to photos. Now if we go back to Instagram and then we go next to the text tool, you'll see the sticker icon. You can click on that. You can actually go ahead and click. And I like to do this a lot when I'm sharing links to give more context. You can go up to photo, which is on the second one down. You can choose the video. And now we've got like an actual icon of the video. Now we can go to the sticker icon once again. And you now want to click on link. So there it is, link. It's the third one from the bottom. Then you can hold down and paste the URL link that you got from YouTube. And there you go. You can now link. You can add custom text here as well. And then all you will do now, you will go ahead and click your story. And whenever someone clicks on this link, it will take them to YouTube. So I hope that helped you out.